Can you really get rid of under-eye bags with the swipe of a simple gel? In this video, you'll find out. Hi everyone, thanks so much for pressing play today. I am Gina Miller, and I love finding products that work. If you're gonna spend some money, you might as well make sure you invest in something that makes a difference. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. This little container is called No More Baggage from the Needles No More line from the late Dr. Brandt. I wanted to share this with you because it seems to be such an effective product for helping you eliminate under-eye bags. I'm recording this video January 3rd, 2021, and I have to be honest, I had a lot of mornings during the month of December in which I had some under-eye bags. Puffiness, whether it be from too many glasses of champagne, hello dry January, or maybe too much sodium the night before. There were definitely instances in which I woke up in the morning not liking what I saw in the mirror. This morning was one of those mornings, and I needed a little something. So I really wanted to put this to the test. Usually my morning routine, if I do have some bags and some puffiness, is to put something cool underneath my eyes, like a jade roller or something just to soften it. It helps it feel better, helps my under eyes feel better, and really does make a difference putting something cool underneath your eyes to constrict the skin and eliminate some of that puffiness, I should say. Also, water is really, really important for, rehydrating and getting that puffiness to go away. But this morning, I just decided to try this all by itself. So I'm going to put up the before picture. I put the gel underneath my eyes, and now you will see the after picture. Do you notice the difference there? I certainly do. Notice a difference in the puffiness underneath my eyes. Now, when you put this on, you definitely notice something right away. First off, this is a almost pinky peach colored gel, which you can see right there. It has absolutely no scent at all. It's a scentless gel, and it goes on, as you can see, pretty clear as well. You can't really see it. I'm wearing makeup, and this goes on completely clear. So once you apply it, you definitely start to feel a tingle. Very similar to if you put a lip plumping product on your lips. Sometimes those lip plumping products with cinnamon or peppermint definitely have a slight tingle in them. That's exactly what this feels like. A slight tingle underneath the eyes with a definite cooling effect. It certainly feels very cool. I have read some reviews that individuals indicate that this has gotten gloppy or too thick. I've never had that problem, and I'm, as you can see, almost at the end of the tube, and it came out just fine. Now, what exactly does it say it's supposed to do? Well, according to the website, this is an advanced eye solution that quickly minimizes the look of under-eye bags, puffiness, and dark circles while preserving a youthful appearance over time. It reduces the look of under-eye bags, puffiness, and dark circles. It restores a smoother looking, youthful eye contour, and it helps protect against damage-causing irritants and pollutants. Now, this is not something that I've used every day. I've used it I've used it more in December than I have most other days, almost every day in December, quite frankly. But it's something that I use on an as-needed basis. According to Dr. Brandt, as I was doing some research for this video, you can absolutely use it as part of a preventative anti-aging routine to help you reduce the appearance of fine lines over time. I haven't experimented with that, so I can't really speak to that, but I certainly do notice the sensation when I apply it, as well as the benefits in the reducing or the reduction of the under-eye bags and the puffiness after about 5 or 10 minutes. So how exactly does it do this? Well, again, going back to the website, the No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel contains Filmatrix technology. Made of algae and plant extracts, it forms an invisible second skin film that tightens the appearance of the eye contour for a visually smoother look within minutes. It also contains peptides, which work to restore the look of elasticity and firmness while supporting the skin and helping to reduce the look of bags, puffiness, and brighten the under eye area. It also contains caffeine and botanical extract cocktail, Centella asiatica, birch bark, green and white tea. That helps reduce the look of puffiness and decrease the intensity of dark circles. Now I will say this, caffeine is a proven constrictant. It helps constrict the blood vessels, which help tighten things. You'll see caffeine in anti-cellulite treatments and things of that nature, and other firming treatments, which I've used on my arm and legs. I haven't noticed a big difference with products containing caffeine in other areas of my body, but with this, I absolutely have. I'll show you the photos one more time. These were taken this morning, similar lighting in my bathroom, no Photoshop, no editing, no filter. You can certainly see there's some puffiness in the photo on the left. The photo on the right, I definitely see a reduction in the puffiness, if you will. So if you're going to get this little magic technology, how much is it going to cost you? Not that much, in my opinion. It's $42 on Dr. Brandt's website, Sephora, Ulta, all the usual suspects. I'll link to all of them down below. This tube has lasted me almost a full year. Now you will notice that it indicates it should only last you about a year or so. I think this has lasted me longer than a year. This little thing right here, this little jar with the 12M on it, is the indication of how long these things are effective, the efficacy length, if you will. Absolutely love it, highly recommend it. I absolutely say that needles no more, no more baggage. It works. This stuff works, and it's a great investment if you're looking to treat those under eye bags in the morning. If you have an event coming up, if you have to go to work and you really want to kind of mask the damage from the night before, highly effective. Big fan, highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Is there something else you'd like to see me review to see if it works? I am happy to do so. Just let me know down below in the comment section. If you made it this far, you know what to do at this point. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down and let me know why. Along those lines, I would love it if you do want to become part of my YouTube family. Please hit the subscribe button and take it a step further and share this video with your friends. My goal here on my YouTube channel is to help you invest your hard-earned dollars in products that work, in items that really help you feel better and represent who you are or who you're trying to be. So that's what I'm going to focus on. That's what I do focus on, and I'm always reading your comments and taking your feedback and appreciative of each and every one in the process. Until next time, please stay safe, stay healthy, and I look forward to chatting with you again real soon.